TeamHealth is a physician staffing company. We work with hospitals that have a need for clinicians. Well, TeamHealth works as a facilitator to place credentialed, educated, and trained doctors across the country into facilities where they can practice.
We in technology are here to partner with the physicians, providing amazing value-driven technology solutions so they can provide the best care to the patients. Upskilling our teams is critical to the success of our transformation and modernization initiatives. And TeamHealth wants technology to be a value-driven partner to the business, and it starts with the people.
So the Innovation Lab was sponsored by Pluralsight, AWS, and SHI. The sponsorship allowed for participants to be able to innovate and iterate upon their ideas throughout the week.
We brought in folks across multiple departments to explore an idea about how we could be more efficient in how we are receiving charts and processing data from those.
We hadn't actually worked with these particular services before, so we put together some custom learning paths and encourage all of the people that were going to be involved in the challenge to go through and look at those learning paths and try and learn some of these special skills beforehand.
I was very fortunate. I was selected in Innovation Lab, and that was my first work in machine learning, and it was really good experience with working with the team.
Our innovation challenge was super fun learning experience for everyone. We had 5 days to solve a constraint in our medical billing using machine learning and the power of AWS. We were able to quickly learn a new cloud platforms, rapidly deploy a working prototype, and present it to all of technology with implementation in mind.
The financial impact, which for this Innovation Lab is a $5 million impact on an annual basis. So what this means is not only from a financial standpoint was this an impact, but also we saw an increase in participation in Pluralsight where people wanted to skill up and were inspired by their team members in competing in that challenge.
Pluralsight gives us a learning platform to upskill our teams that feeds into the output of the innovation labs.
Taking something that we learned out of a lab that was just from ideas and iterations of those ideas to being able to take the best output of that and actually apply it into a production workload. That's a powerful thing when you have those opportunities, and all of that starts foundationally with getting that training from Pluralsight and learning what you can do with it.